Today we're going back, way back to the beginning of React. 10 years in the rearview mirror, it still feels like we are just one release away from developer satisfaction. How did React go in 10 years, from looking dead on arrival to becoming the dominant front-end JavaScript framework that tech leads enforces developers to use? And if the team behind React was not employed by Facebook, this could have been a real underdog story. Let's begin. The idea behind React code is to make entities called components. When rendering a component, values are passed between components through a process called prop drilling, short for properties drilling. These components are modular and reusable if you scale props horizontally. Values internal to a component are called redux, an idea pioneered by Dan Momobrav. React was not first with the components model, but had the marketing money to appear as though they were. And now it's common knowledge. A team member who still to this day wishes to remain anonymous had a big vision, a feature within React that would give React developers a sledgehammer and the ability to treat any code problem like a nail, a way to force re-renders until the DOM has a desired state, an escape hatch if you will. Not escaping React per se, but buying your way out with an extreme amount of re-renders, sometimes even exceeding the maximum core stack size. This sledgehammer would later be known to the public as use effect. The React team still had one mountain to climb. How would React components be mapped to real HTML elements? A proposal was made about having a virtual representation of the DOM, a virtual dome, then map the virtual to the actual. This, however, was too difficult of a task for the team. Not soon after a simpler solution would present itself, the ingenious idea to virtualize the virtual DOM itself. This would make the implementation orders of magnitude easier for the team. Instead of simply comparing and updating the DOM, React could now compares and updates entire virtual representations of the virtual representations of the virtual representations. This is how we arrived at the reactive React you know and love today. This documentary was created out of love for React by Daniel Bark. His purpose was not to make fun of any single person who contributed to the great library of React. We should all be grateful to the people who brought React into existence. These contributions to web development are deeply appreciated, and the React legacy will continue to shape the future of web development for years to come. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and hope to see you here again.